Welcome to Intella. In this short video, we'll explore a new feature we've added in version 3.0.1, showing how to use the repair case option to attempt recovery of a broken or corrupted case. To demonstrate, we have a case here in the case manager that appears to be corrupted and will not open. If I try to open it, an error appears stating the case cannot be opened. This is where the new repair functionality comes in. This operation is designed to repair broken cases by effectively rerunning the post-processing. This is often helpful when an indexing job fails during that final post-processing stage. This operation not only saves you time by avoiding a full re-index of the entire case, but it also helps when the case cannot be opened at all. To begin the process, go to the Case Manager screen, select your corrupted case, and click the Repair button. A dialog window will be displayed, indicating that Intella will attempt to repair the case. Click OK to proceed. This will launch the case repair process. A new window will appear, showing you the progress of each individual step. When the repair completes, click Finish. Next, you will see a pop-up notification stating the repair process has been completed with 3 ways to proceed. Open the repaired case, go back to the case manager, or exit. For this demonstration, we will choose to open the repaired case. You will be redirected to the Welcome tab. From there, you can select the Sources tab to view your results or any error notifications. As you can see from our results, the case has been repaired and now loads successfully. This now completes the case repair process. Intella 3.0.1's new repair case option efficiently recovers broken cases, avoiding full reindexing. This saves time by quickly restoring accessibility and ensuring data integrity through rerunning post-processing. This concludes the section on repairing cases in Intella. For any questions, please consult the Intella documentation and contact our support team regarding any technical issues. Thank you for watching.